He senses his first responsibility. The poet does not want to intrude to or console the boy. He will not tell the boy that the ball he has lost costs almost nothing. He will not console him by saying that he can buy another ball quite easily and it costs nothing. Now good sense prevails over the boy. He knows that in this world people are always running after acquiring or owning things. He realizes what is his first responsibility in such word of greed, in such word of competition. Now आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस ऑल इन हिंदी. तो इस तरह से जो बच्चा है वो अपनी पहली बार अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को रियलाइज़ करता है कि ये जो वर्डली सांसारिक जो वर्ड है इसमें लोग हर चीज़ को छीन लेते हैं, ले लेते हैं, और बॉल तो खोने के लिए ही होती है. कोई भी व्यक्ति बच्चे को बॉल वापस नहीं दे सकता. वो सेम बॉल तो उसे वापस बिल्कुल नहीं दी जा सकती, क्योंकि जो मनी है वो एक्सटर्नल है. वो उसकी सेम बॉल को वापस नहीं दे सकता मनी, क्योंकि मनी से चीज़ खरीदी जा सकती है, लेकिन जो उसका अटैचमेंट है चीज़ के साथ में, किसी वस्तु के साथ में, वो उसे नहीं लौटाया जा सकता. तो इस तरह से पोएट उस बॉय को कंसोल भी नहीं करना चाहते और उसके काम में दखल भी देना नहीं चाहते. और इस तरह से पोएट ने ये बताया कि बाइंग एंड लॉसिंग कंटिन्यूज थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ. पीपल विल ऑलवेज बाय सच बॉल्स एंड द बॉल्स विल बी लॉस्ट अगेन. वंस अ बॉल हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट इट इज़ लॉस्ट अगेन. मनी इज़ टोटली एक्सटर्नल टू आवर इनर फीलिंग्स. मनी कैन नॉट कंपनसेट आवर इमोशनल लॉसेज. Similarly, the childhood that we have lost forever cannot be bought back with the money. Now, the next para, the difficult words of this para are here. Learning, what does it mean? To learn, सीखना. Behind, backward, disparate, hopeless. Epistemology, knowledge, ज्ञान. एपिस्टेमोलॉजी ऑफ लॉस, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द नेचर ऑफ लॉस. हाउ टू स्टैंड अप, टू स्टैंड अगेन. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू, एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. ही इज लर्निंग वेल बिहाइंड हिज डिसेपरेट आइज. द एपिस्टेमोलॉजी ऑफ लॉस, हाउ टू स्टैंड अप, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Through these lines the poet is going to tell that as I just have already told you, that balls are to be lost again and again. The boy with his hopeless eyes is beginning to learn the nature of loss. As we have also come to know the famous lines of a poet, that change is the law of life. The boy is hopeless and he is learning the nature of loss. He is learning what is the meaning of loss of something. He has to learn how to come over the loss, how to come out of the pain of loss, and how to stand up again in this world, which every man of the world has to learn and has to do with the passes of the time. He must learn how to bear the pangs of the loss of his childhood. He has to move ahead in the life, forgetting the loss of his childhood. Now I am going to tell you the poetic devices. Balls, repetition is here. Money is external, metaphor is here. Buys a ball back, alliteration is here. Man must, alliteration is here. Clear? So students, learn properly and watch this video till the end and learn properly. Now I am also going to discuss some important questions of this poem with you. Now come to para first. What is the boy now? What has gone wrong with the boy? The boy has lost his ball. What has gone wrong with the boy? The boy has lost his ball. What did the poet see? The poet saw the ball bouncing down the street and finally falling into the harbor water. Which figure of speech is there? Line 1 and 2. Anaphora is there. Merrily, merrily. Which figure of speech is there in line 3rd and 4th? In the 4th line there is apostrophe and in line 3rd and 4th there is repetition and anaphora is also there. Which figure of speech is there in no use to say? In the second para, apostrophe is there. What is the significance of the lost ball for the boy? This is the question for this second para. There will be of no use of consoling the boy that he can have other ball in place of the lost one. Where is he staring down? The boy is staring down in the depth of the harbor where his ball has gone. Where is he staring down? He is staring down the harbor where his ball disappeared into the water. Now, what does it mean dime? Dime is the cost. What does it mean a dime? Dime is a very cheap cost. Can be said एक टका कहा जा सकता है डाइम को. ठीक है. Now questions for the next para. He senses his responsibility. How does the boy prepare himself? How does the boy prepare himself? The boy senses his responsibility and composes himself calmly. What kind of word is it? It is the word where people run after possessing and grabbing materialistic things. What is he learning? For the next para, what is the boy learning? The boy is learning how to come out of the condition of loss. Can money buy a lost ball? No, money cannot buy back a lost ball. Why is money external? This is the most important question of this poem. Why money is external? Money cannot compensate internal or emotional losses suffered by us. So money is external. Clear? Now next question. What should every man learn? The every man should be hopeful, does not regret for the losses of past. What lesson is this boy taught here? The boy should learn how to stand up again, to move ahead in the life, forgetting his loss or loss of childhood. So students, with this video, learn the chapter properly, learn everything and watch the video till the end. Thank you.